In this video, I'm going to be doing a walkthrough lesson of Coinmarketcap. This is going to be the website that you guys can use in order to do all of your coin research and your cryptocurrency research. There is literally everything there is to need to know about cryptocurrency on this website. Trust me, this site is huge and this video might take a little while to do. I'm guessing probably about 20 or 30 minutes. So here's an overview of CoinMarketCap. The website is coinmarketcap.com. Coinmarketcap.com. The link to this website will be in the descriptions. But right now I am going to give you a quick walkthrough here. So at the top here, right along the header here, you have cryptocurrencies, cryptos for short. There's currently 12,136. I checked this yesterday and it's gone up over 100 cryptocurrencies since yesterday. So the market is growing. There is currently 413 exchanges. The market cap overall on all the cryptocurrencies on the market is $2.4 trillion. And the 24-hour volume is up here, and it's currently at $170 billion. The dominance right here, so Bitcoin is the biggest dominance of 42.1%, and Ether is 18.0%, and then the rest of that percent will be combined throughout all the other cryptocurrencies. And then Ether's gas right now is 41 way. Over here you have where it says English. You can choose your country's language. Any language that you speak, it will be here. Then here you'll have your currency. You can select your currencies so that anything that's displayed on this website will be in your country's currency. So I like to use Canadian dollars because I am in Canada, but I could also switch it up to USD. I'm going to keep it on Canadian. And then this moon here, you can change it from night into day, because it doesn't really matter. I usually keep it on the white. And these videos here, they show a little bit of information or a little bit of news that's going on around cryptocurrency community. And then you have quick references to trending, biggest gainers, recently added, that kind of stuff. And then down below you have all your cryptocurrencies. Now this first page here will be your top 100 coins or cryptocurrencies, and then as you notice I've got 69 pages to go through at 100 each for a total of 6,800 cryptocurrencies that are currently available on CoinMarketCap to look up. I have a watch list button here, so if there's certain cryptocurrencies that you want to follow, these little stars over here on the far left, you can click one of those stars there and add it to main watch list. Your watch list will be right here on this tab, and if you click that, you'll be brought over to your watch list. So all these particular cryptocurrencies, these are the ones that I'm watching, and there's a few of them. Then you can also go into your portfolio. I haven't entered into anything in here, but you can add your cryptocurrencies that you currently hold and at what prices you bought them for, and you can watch your entire portfolio go up or down right here. And here through the top, you have, I'm going to start from the right side. You can have your search bar, whatever cryptocurrency you want to look up, it's right here on search. And then for recent lookups, you'll have them right down here on the bottom, and then kind of like trending up top here. This button here is to view your profile. If you've never been to the site here, you can sign up. It's very simple to sign up. You enter in your email address and a password, and you can sign up. It's absolutely 100% free. No worries about any charges or anything like that. And here you can kind of view your profile. This little diamond here is something new that Coinmarketcap has started doing. It's called diamonds. You can collect your diamonds, and see, I've already got 330 diamonds. I'm going to collect my daily for today, which you get 10 diamonds a day for 3 days, and then you get on to the 4th, 5th, and 6th day. You get 20 diamonds for each of those days, and then day 7 you get 50 diamonds. Now, the whole point of the diamonds is that there's free rewards with them. Right now, there's something called NFTs, non-fungible tokens. These are tokens that you can collect. I will get into further detail on what a NFT is at a later point. But these are basically digital artwork that you can purchase with your diamonds. And you can only purchase these ones with diamonds. So like this one here would cost you 100 diamonds in order to buy. So spend 100 diamonds, win up to 1,000 diamonds back. So that's actually pretty cool. I might actually purchase this in a minute here. Then these ones here, they're sold out. These ones here cost you 500 and 300 and so on and so forth. And they will actually be worth something. Like, there's one here that's, there's one for 3,000. There was another one here that was worth 20,000 diamonds. I'm guessing somebody already claimed it. But the more expensive they are in diamonds usually means that they're worth more. So you can resell these as well, and you can resell them on like OpenSea or Rareball. There's a couple other NFT sites that are coming out right now that you can sell them on. But let's go through the top here. You got CoinMarketCap logo right here. So if you're ever on a page and you want to get back to the main page, you just click that and you'll be brought back to the main page. Cryptocurrencies up here, you can look at different information like rankings, recently added, price estimates, legal tender countries, global charts, fiat company rankings, spotlight, gainers and losers, historical snapshots. So when you get on here, just kind of click through that and look at all the information on each one of those. A lot of it's very interesting and very helpful. Exchanges, and then you have spot, derivatives, DEX, and where to buy. You got NFT, and then I'll show you all different kinds of NFTs. And you got your portfolio, your watch list, calendars. Calendars is great because you can go into and look at free airdrops. An airdrop is basically free cryptocurrencies that companies will give out. If you come to CoinMarketCap and look up your free airdrops here, they're more legitimate than most other places, so I trust them a little bit more. So basically the way a airdrop works is a new company or a new cryptocurrency company comes out onto the market and they want to advertise who they are and what they do. So what they do is they offer free cryptocurrencies to people like you and me in order to do some social tasks. So you share it on Facebook, you share it on Twitter, you retweet and tag some people in your Twitter feed, join their Instagram or Telegram channels. And just by doing those social media tasks, they will pay you in cryptocurrency. That cryptocurrency could be worth very little and it could be worth lots. I've done airdrops where I was getting paid $2,000 worth of cryptocurrency when they came out, and it spiked up to like $10,000. So I basically got $10,000 for free for doing one of the airdrops. I've had airdrops where they were worthless. They came out, they took a dive. I basically had a penny's worth of free cryptocurrency, but it doesn't matter. It's free to enter into an airdrop. You share the links, you spend 10 minutes doing it, and it's free money. We got an Ico Calendar. So initial coin offering, when new cryptocurrencies are entering the market, they want to raise some capital so that they can spend it on marketing or advertisement or something like that. This is where you can purchase coins for really, really cheap, and then usually when they come out on exchanges, they usually pump about 5-10 times your money. and then they usually drop right away. So you got to be careful about that. Do your own research. That is not financial advice. But that's a good way of taking a look at new cryptocurrencies that are coming out on the market. And you got Polkadot Parachains, which is a very popular blockchain, and Parachains is like a kind of like a sister company to the main company. I give you an example, but I can't think of one off the top of my head. But it's kind of like a secondary company or a secondary blockchain. Then you got Events Calendar, so all the cryptocurrencies, some of them report to Coinmarketcap to tell everybody about them. So certain coins will be doing certain things like releasing their test nets or releasing their main net or launching a new product or something in their calendar. I'm just going to quickly click on that and show you, because this is another way of doing research on their cryptocurrencies. So like over here, Cardano here has a Cardano Summit. It's a conference, and that's coming out tomorrow, Saturday, September 25th, which will not be relevant once you view this video. So there's other things like Kusama has Berlin meetup. There's a Telegram AMA for MetaHash. And then you can click on load more and see more about it. So there's lots of information right there, and that's underneath the events calendar. And you can come into the products and you can look at all the different kinds of products that are available, and you can come in to learn. There's a section here called Earn. You click on that and you can learn about cryptocurrency, and you earn cryptocurrency. So it's basically free money just by learning about cryptocurrency. It's really cool. I'll show you that with Coinbase. When you go to the learn how to use Coinbase and the walkthrough of Coinbase, I will show you there how to earn free money. This is really cool, and it'll blow your mind. I love this idea. But here you can click on earn free cryptocurrency. Like here you'll get a free NFT just by learning about this one. You can earn free sandbox tokens just by learning about sand. Sand is a cryptocurrency metaverse, kind of like a like Roblox, but you're building it up in a video game, and with this video game you own digital assets and whatnot. It's really neat. And then you can earn other cryptocurrencies by learning all these other ones. So look at all the ones that I'm scrolling down. I'm sure there'll be much more in the future, but for each one of these you can click and earn cryptocurrency for free. They will give it to you. Enter in your wallet address at the end of these, and they'll put free cryptocurrencies in your wallet. And then you can just sell those if you want, or you can hold on to them for later prices. Anyways, we got, let's go back over to their main page here. I'm going to show you a little bit deeper dive into coin research. I will be doing another video later on about how to do proper research. But right here, if you look at the top 100 coins here, even the top 9, that's all I'm going to be able to show you. Oh, wait, no. Yeah, I can only get 9 on there. Actually, 8. Anyways, so when you look down the list here, you're going to notice the stars. As I already mentioned, that's you click on those and you bring it over to your watch list. Then you have the numbers, and these are your rank. So as it goes down, the ranks grow, and that's where these particular coins sit in the rank. And they're all done by market cap. So as you notice, the market caps are over here. 93 is higher than 86, and 75 is lower than 86, and 55 is lower than 75. So it's all calculated by their market cap on where they sit on the chart. And then you have your symbols of what they are, or their logos. And then you have your full names of what they are. And then you have the ticker symbols of the shorter version of what they are. So Binance Coin is BNB, Binance Well, I don't know what the B would stand for. Binance coin. I don't know. Cardano, ADA, because there's an A here, a D here, and an A here. It's kind of weird, but I mean, it's just just a shorter term. Anyways, you got your price here, what the current price is, your 24-hour percent, so how much it's changed in the last 24 hours. And then this row here is how much it's changed in the last 7 days. Then you have your market caps, which is this row right here. And you got 24-hour volume, which is, I'm sure you can see that there. Now, the top number is in Canadian currency. Whatever your currency is going to show up here. So your currency, this is how much has been traded in 24 hours. This bottom one here is the same amount of money. It's just converted into that particular coin that you're looking at. So over the last 24 hours, there's been over 1 million Bitcoin traded on all the markets. And then you have your circulating supply and what the total supply is currently circulating. I'll show you that in a minute. And then you have the last 7 days daily graph. I wouldn't put too much weight into that. I'll show you different charts, but you can click on these 3 little dots here. You can view charts of that particular crypto. You can view the markets, and you can view historical data. But I will show you how to get into that in just a second here. So I'm going to go down, and we are going to look at XRP. This is a very interesting coin. I will tell you about this in the bonus videos. So stick around to the end, and I will tell you all about XRP. This is the one you're going to want to keep your eye on. And I'm going to click on it, and any of the cryptocurrencies that you see on the top 100 list, or any of the lists for that matter, you just click on it and you're going to find a whole bunch of information about it. All the information that you ever need is right here. Okay, so let me quickly go over this. I'm not going to jump into detail about this until I show you walkthroughs on how to research a coin. But up top here, you have your name, your ticker symbol, your star here for your watch list, what your rank is. It is a coin. If it's a token, it's going to say here that this one's a coin. It's currently on 1.1 million watch lists. So every 1.1 million people have it starred on their watch list. Then you got their website. You have explorers. So your explorer is the blockchain that it runs on, and where you can look up more information about that. I will show you that in a future time, but there's XRP scan. If you want to know different wallets, holders, transfers, transactions, whatnot, you'll see it through your explorers. You got your community, where your social media is. So you have your Twitter, your Reddit, and XRP chat. Other ones will have like Telegram and Facebook and whatnot. So look to the community if you want to see what other people are talking about the coin. And you got source code, you have the white paper. White paper is super important when you're researching coins. I will show you that when we research coins. Then you got your contracts, Binance Smart Chain. So XRP will run off the Binance Smart Chain, and this is the contract address. I will show you how to use that. Then you got your tags. Certain tags will bring up this coin on Google search. And then here you have the name, you have the price, the current change. So in the last 24 hours, you'll see that right here. And then against BTC, against ETH, so Bitcoin or Ethereum, and the price difference and percentage change between those. Then you have your daily low and your daily high, and you can switch that out. So 24 hours, 1 month low, 1 month high low, or 1 year. And now next we have tabs here. So you have overview, market, historical data, wallets, news, socials, ratings, analysis, and price estimates. Price estimates, they're just predictions for people like you and me, where we kind of predict what it's going to be like. Let's go at the ratings. There is no ratings right now. Let's go to social. Social is your tweets on Twitter and your Reddit posts, recent ones. So you can look through these ones here and see what's going on. I'll show you this more on research. This is another place where you can do some research on your coins. And then you got your news. What news is currently around about this your particular cryptocurrency. So this showing within the last 12 hours, 11 hours. And wallets. If you have this cryptocurrency and you're wondering what wallets you can store it on, these are all the different wallets that you can store XRP on. We will be going through what a ledger is. A ledger is your hardware wallet. A Trezor is a hardware wallet as well. We will go through that again. A trust wallet. We will quickly go through what a trust wallet is. This is more of a mobile, you hold it on your cell phone wallet. Then your MetaMask, I will show you walkthroughs on your MetaMask because that's your browser wallet. That stays up on your browser at the top of your screen. Coinbase, I will be doing a walkthrough on Coinbase. And then SafePal is another hardware wallet that was made by Binance. And then you got the Binance Chain wallet and an Atomic wallet. So this one has a lot of wallets that you can store XRP on, and I will show you how to store that one on because I do have XRP. Let's go to historical data. This will show you date by date, consecutive days, and then their open, their close, or their highs and their lows during the day, and then their close. So you got open, you got close, and their highs and lows. Then you also got your volume, how much is being traded, the market cap on that particular day, and you can go all the way down the list to see where it's going up and where it's going down, and it's another way of trying to find a price point to buy into. And you got the market tab. The market tab will show you all the different exchanges that you can trade XRP on, and as you can notice, there is a lot of them. This is one of those cryptos that you got to kind of pay attention to. Then you can load more and it'll show you even more of the exchanges that it's on. And you can click load more and see more exchanges that it's on. XRP is on a lot of the exchanges, and I will tell you why in a bonus video. Alright, let's go back up to the top. Just go back to the next page. Alright, so we got the overview. And the overview will show you a chart here. This is on default. It's on 1 day. So this is what it's done in the last day. So ups and downs. You can change this to candlesticks if you would rather, or you can keep it as a line. At the bottom here, these darker lines here, this is your volume. As you can see that the volume went up during the day, kind of stabilized a little bit. You can look at it 1 day or 7 days, 1 month. So this is all 1 month. Then you can do 3 months, overview of 3 total months, 1 year, year to date. So all of 2021 or 1 year, or you can go to all, and this is from inception and back in 2013 all the way up until now, and you can see where it's gone. As you notice right here, this big this spike right here, I've been in cryptocurrency since about here, so I've got to witness this entire run here. And you can go to market cap and you can see the same kind of graph with the market cap. It's usually about the same with the price. And then you got the trading view where you got your candlesticks, and you can trade, or you can look at it from 1 minute, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, or you got a drop down menu of different things. Now when you select one of these, I will, by the way, I'll show you this on another time when we do graph reading and how to read charts. But if you're curious about it right now, 5 minutes, if you click on 5 minutes, each one of these candlesticks represents 5 minutes. So overall, you can see the date at the bottom and the time, and then you can see the prices on the right. And then you have all your drawing tools down the side here, and then you got other graph stuff up the top here. If you keep scrolling down underneath the charts, you have a description of what the particular coin is. And these ones here, you can kind of expand what they are. Some of them is just going to be paragraph after paragraph, and usually a lot of the better coins are going to have a lot of information right here. Okay, and then if you keep scrolling down here, you're going to see your price estimates. So this is the predictions that people will make. So by the end of this month or by the end of next month, what the price will be, estimations, median or average on both of those. So you can kind of view what other people think that it's going to do. I wouldn't put too much weight into it. Take it with a grain of salt, because nobody can predict anything. Really, they can't. Unless you're a huge whale and you know how to manipulate the market with billions of dollars, but I'm guessing that you're probably not that person. So maybe one day you get into cryptocurrency now, maybe in about 10 years you will be one of those people. Not financial advice. Don't sue me, All right. So how do you feel about XRP today? You can say good or bad. You can see what other people say. I can say good, and 87% say it's good. Okay. So now next you can go down to Xrp Markets, and we've already seen the market tab, so we already know what markets it trades on. And then for each of these markets here, it'll give you information about how much was traded on their particular exchange at what times and whatnot. When you see the confidence level is high, moderate, that I'll teach you later, but if it says high, then you got high confidence in the coin, means that it's going to go somewhere. If it's low, then maybe it'll go down. If you scroll down here, you're going to see news, and this is not particular news to XRP. This is news for all of cryptocurrencies, or like the top things in the news on that particular day or whatever. You can go to read more. And you scroll down here, people also watch. So on the people that are looking at XRP right now, they're also looking at these coins too. So you can kind of follow what other people are looking into and look into those ones. It's nice to, when you're looking for new coins, to find what's the next Bitcoin. These are kind of ways how to discover that. And you can push this button here to swap XRP, but I really don't do that. It'll bring up like a wallet and whatnot, and this is kind of like a DEX or a decentralized exchange where you just connect your wallet to it. I'm going to connect my MetaMask to that. Put my alright, so my MetaMask is now connected to it. I'm going to switch to networks, go to my Binance network, and now I can trade cryptocurrencies right here. You don't have to go on to an exchange. You can just use the DEX on Coinmarketcap, and this is one of the reasons why I like it, because it's got a DEX built into it. And this one here, it swaps it on PancakeSwap. I will have a video on PancakeSwap later. So you can trade it on two different swapping units. So you can go here, you can trade it from Ethereum's network or Binance Smart Chain or Hexco network. And up here, it'll show you how much your native cryptocurrency you have on that wallet and your wallet address. Just like part of it, the first four and the first last. I will teach you more about that later. And then down here you have their footer. So there's lots of information on this website, as you can see. And if you look through it yourself, you're going to notice a lot more information than I actually showed you. Like when you go through here and click on all these individual ones. I mean, let's quickly look at the gainers and losers before I leave here. So on this side, the left side here, you're going to have all the gainers and all the losers on the right side. So you can also see new coins through here too, and what's going up a lot. So this one here would be a lot of volatility. There's only $142,000 traded in the last 24 hours on it, so it's probably a poo coin. High percent, low price, very low volume. The rank is very high. Oh, sorry, that's the wrong one. The rank is a little bit lower. It's hit and miss on determining whether or not it's a shitcoin right here. But you could also see that it's volatile because it's trading up by thousands of percent. So it means it's up and down. But you can look at what's trading and what the price points are and how much is traded on the day and what the percentage is on the day. I mean, it's nice to come in here and look around. I do a lot of my research on what new coins are out there, what ones are pumping, what ones are dumping, and ones to stay away from, what ones to maybe do a little bit more research into it. Like, I see this Teddy Cash here. It's a very high rank, or sorry, it's a low rank. It's 2,838 on the list. The price is mediocre. It's done a lot of percentage change, but it's got a high volume of in the last 24 hours for $4.5 million. I mean, that's quite a bit. So I would kind of look a little bit more into that coin to see what it is. I would look at their white paper. I'd look into the community and see what other people are talking about. Maybe check out their Discord. I would take a look at their explorers, their web page, just to see what they're all about. I see that they're trading on Avalanche. Avalanche is doing great right now, so who knows? It might be good. So I'll do my research through that coin. One more thing before we go. On the right side, I forgot to show you here. Let's go back over to XRP just so that we can continue on with that. Okay. On the right side of the graph here, you're going to see XRP to CAD converter. So this is Canadian denomination converter. 1 XRP is total of $1.20 Canadian. Underneath you have XRP price statistics. So all your coin statistics will be right here. So your current price, your price change in the last 24 hours by percent, 24-hour low and high, trading volume over the last 24 hours. That's huge. Volume versus market cap. Then you got market dominance. So market dominance right now is 2.32% of the total market that would be in XRP. It is growing. Then you have your total market cap and your fully diluted market cap. And you push more, and you're going to see what it traded at yesterday's high and low, yesterday's open and close, yesterday's change in percent, yesterday's volume, total money. And then you have your history of the last 7 days high and low, 30-day high and low, 90-day high and low, 52-week high and low, all-time high. So what it's reached at the all-time high. So if it's a really good coin, and say if it's down to say $1 and its all-time high is $4.86, then it's got room to move. So if it's a good coin, you probably can almost bet yourself that it's going to go back up to an all-time high. So it'll kind of gauge you, okay, you'll have at least 4 times your money if it goes back up to the all-time high from where it is. Then you got the all-time low. 7 years ago, it would have been beautiful to get on this coin. I mean, 0.003, it's gone up 33,502%. So that's 335 times your money in the last 7 years. And you got your ROI, your circulating supply, your total supply, and your max supply. And then, yeah, that's pretty much about it. Go check it out. Click the link in the description. And before you go on to the next video, just go through Coinmarketcap and take a look through. You can find a couple coins that you're interested in, write them down, save them to your watch list, and then follow me on the next video. Until the next one, have a good one.